Hey there, welcome back to Money Matters Made Easy. I'm Izzy, your friendly financial guide, here to break down complex concepts and make them easy to understand. Today, we're diving into the world of bank accounts and exploring the different types available to you. So let's get started. First up, we have the basic savings account. This is a great option for those just starting out on their financial journey. It's easy to open, usually requires a low minimum balance, and offers a safe place to store your money. Plus, you'll earn a little bit of interest on your savings, helping your money grow over time. Next, we have the checking account. This is the most common type of bank account and is perfect for everyday transactions. With a checking account, you'll have access to a debit card, checks, and online banking, making it convenient to manage your money. Just be mindful of any fees associated with the account, such as monthly maintenance fees or overdraft fees. Now let's talk about money market accounts. These accounts are similar to savings accounts, but typically offer higher interest rates. They're a great option if you have a larger sum of money that you don't need immediate access to. Money market accounts often come with a higher minimum balance requirement, so keep that in mind. Moving on, we have certificates of deposit, or CDs. These accounts are perfect for those looking to save for a specific goal, like a down payment on a house or a dream vacation. With a CD, you agree to leave your money in the account for a set period of time, usually ranging from a few months to several years. In return, you'll earn a higher interest rate than a regular savings account. Just remember, if you withdraw your money before the agreed-upon time, you may face penalties. Lastly, let's talk about high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. They're a great option if you want to maximize your savings without taking on too much risk. Just be sure to compare different banks and their interest rates to find the best option for you. So, which bank account is right for you? Well, it depends on your financial goals and needs. If you're just starting out, a basic savings or checking account may be the way to go. If you have a specific goal in mind, like saving for a down payment or earning more interest, consider a money market account or a CD. And if you want to maximize your savings, a high-yield savings account may be the perfect fit. Remember, no matter which account you choose, it's important to read the fine print, understand any fees or restrictions, and regularly review your account to ensure it still meets your needs. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this breakdown of different bank accounts helpful and informative. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Stay confident, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.